It's a technological boom. From smartphones and tablets to e-readers and MP3 players, we're experiencing a revolution in the way we share and receive information. But there's another sector of the communication industry that's been rapidly and quietly evolving as well: the printing industry. From environmental sustainability to new advances in printing techniques, the print industry is breaking new ground.
The printing industry has been promoting sustainability for as long as I've been in the business, which is over 40 years. When we look back at the paper mills and the manufacturing of paper, they actually recycle their production waste right back into the paper they're manufacturing, and have been doing that forever as an economy measure. We certainly have been on the forefront with recycling technology for our waste products, our aluminum plates. In the ink area, we are remixing colors so that any waste ink is actually turned into another color. And we also have digital equipment that now eliminates any make-ready sheets altogether. So we're very, very efficient. We haven't, as a printing industry, been promoting this, however, and we need to talk about it.
One of the greatest accomplishments in the printing industry is significant advances in environmental responsibility. Today, forest landowners plant about 4 million trees every single day. That's nearly 4 times more than they harvest. In fact, there are 20% more trees in the United States today than there were in 1970, thanks to sustainable initiatives in the industry. Additionally, paper is a 100% renewable resource, and many printed products are made entirely out of recycled paper. These statistics show the printing and paper industry's long-standing commitment to sustainability.
The printing industry has made a lot of progress in the sustainability area. Paper today is manufactured from forests that are very sustainable. We use inks in our press room that have virtually no petroleum-based oil anymore. It's all vegetable-based oil. That makes a big difference in the amount of VOCs we're putting out into the air. The presses also no longer use isopropyl alcohol, which was a tremendous contributor to the VOC problem. The digital equipment that we have, virtually no make-ready at all. Start from sheet 1 and away you go.
There are more printing companies adopting the approach not to throw anything away from their manufacturing operation, which has caused them to find ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle materials that were once considered a waste. This hot emerging trend is called Going Zero Landfill.
I think that in this digital age, the biggest misconception is that print is dead, which we of course find to be ludicrous, because the printing industry in America is a $150 billion a year business. There are 30,000 commercial printing facilities all across the country. So that's more than there are McDonald's franchises. So it's a huge industry. It's at the epicenter of the communications spectrum, if you will.
Even with all these advances, one thing that hasn't changed much over the years is print's effectiveness in advertising. 76% of small businesses agree that their ideal marketing mix is a combination of print and digital advertising. Many agree it is the integration of print and electronic communication that is the magic formula for success.
Print is still a very effective medium, even in this world of all kinds of electronic devices. It's really not a question of either print or electronics, but really a combination of both. When you can marry the power of print with the efficiency of electronics, you really can create a great marketing campaign and a great marketing mix that's also environmentally sound and friendly. 67% of online searches are driven by offline messaging, with 39% of those people making a purchase. Websites supported by a printed catalog yield 163% greater revenue than those that are not. But the important thing to remember, it's not the either-or question, but the good combination of print and electronics that makes a successful advertising campaign.
The print industry is in the midst of a technological revolution. These advancements help us communicate, do better business, and protect the planet. Printing Industries of America represents the hundreds of thousands of men and women employed in the printing business.
Printing Industries of America is a national trade association that is made up of 23 affiliates from all across the country and Canada. And essentially what we do is we are like the Chamber of Commerce, if you will, for the printing industry. We represent the industry on Capitol Hill. We're involved in research. We provide education and technical information. Our goal is to help companies be profitable and grow their business. And that's what Printing Industries of America is all about.
Print's U.S. economic footprint in 2011 totaled over $158 billion in annual shipments. Despite the surge in mobile technology and a sluggish economy, many would be surprised to know that the printing industry is experiencing growth. The industry had almost 30,000 establishments, employing just under 1 million employees and hiring approximately 50,000 new employees per year.
Printing Industries of America represents a wide spectrum of companies, from the small mom-and-pop shops all the way up to the multi-billion-dollar companies. What's interesting is that these companies print everything you can imagine: letterhead, business cards, magazines, newspapers, collateral material, and so much more. They're involved in mailing and fulfillment, digital asset management, and so much more. And it's that so much more that offers the greatest promise for the printing industry. We are the quintessential technological industry, always innovating, always investing in new technologies and new ideas. New things include augmented reality and 3D printing, very exciting things, which is why Printing Industries of America is here to help our members understand the new technologies, the new trends, point them in the right direction so that they can offer these products and services for their customers.
As one of the oldest manufacturing industries in the U.S., the printing industry has been a force for hundreds of years and is projected to continue this success. Learn more about the value of print. Visit us online at printing.org.